Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi, hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to talk about circle views in Tableau. Circle views are great for comparison. Circle view is powerful visualization for comparative analysis. It is just like scatter plot with a circle marker. In circle view, every mark is of shape circle and it can be used for further operations. Let's see how a circle view can be created and what all required to create a circle view. Let's get started. I'm opening the Tableau public application. I have the sample superstore data ready with me and I'm clicking on the show me palette and moving to the circle view sheet over here. Circle view template over here. When I hover on the circle view, you see some suggestions. For circle views, try one or more dimensions, one or more measures. That means to create a circle view, we need to have at least one dimension and one measure. So I'm going to take a dimension and a measure. I'm taking category and bringing it to the column shelf, and I'm taking profit to the row shelf, and I'm clicking on the circle view. Now the circle view is created. I'm going to add one more dimension to the sheet. I've taken subcategory and dropping it to the column shelf. Now we can see the circle view is created, but it is difficult for us to find the comparison now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take profit measure and dropping it in the size mark. Now the circle size has been changed for each and every subcategory. You can see accessories has big circle, appliances has little small circle, and technology has a big circle. I'm going to increase the size of profit a little so that it will be more visible, and you can even change the size of the you can even change the shape over here. We have a shapes palette available. We can select any shapes which is available over here. See, the shapes are changing really well. Since this is a circle chart, I'm going to select filled circle for now, and I'm reducing the size a little. Now you can see the comparison well. That means the lesser the profit, the lesser the size of the circle is. The more the profit, the bigger the circle is. And now we even have comparison on top of this also, because these sizes are somewhat similar to each and every circle, because some circles we are easily able to figure out that these are small circles and this is slightly bigger than this and this is really big. And when we have two different circles which are of similar size, it is difficult for us to identify which is doing well. So we can enable labels over here, and now we are ready to do comparison and to get some really good analysis and really make some good decisions on top of this sheet. This is it guys. This is how you create a circle chart. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmiles 31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share, and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.